Generation burned within me, and forever since I cried the pain and sorrow. I live and die, proud of my people gave me. I'm here standing on the edge, staring up.
Recording.
Oh crap!
I was gonna record us going across the tree of death.
Where's the tree of death?
Right there.
Crap! The thing said you to get into paradise.
The tree of death.
Yeah, it's too big.
No, we have to cross it
Why?
to get to the forest of wolfiness.
Is that where paradise is?
You're the leader. You're supposed to know this.
So gay. So where's your boyfriend?
I don't know. You tell me. You said that you sent him away on a mission.
Oh, I sent him to that club called Paradise.
I thought you said that that was a bad thing.
I know.
If you get a rat from anything in here, it's not my fault.
We can't sue you.
No, you can't do it.
Tree of death.
Ah!
Okay, I'm an awesome leader. I sent the youngest.
Oh yeah, that's good. Give me.
Hey, without me, you fall.
What do you mean without you I'd fall?
I said fall apart.
No, you're not Sume.
Sume's dead.
Since when?
He got in trouble at Club Paradise.
I hate you.
Hey, you too, bitch. Which is apparently
Ah, it's the pitbull.
werewolves and you're scared of a pitbull.
Yes.
It's always been so hard to stray. No regret 'cause I got nothing to lose. Ever stray. So I'm gonna live my life as I do.
Woo! You're such a pussy.
I'm a wolf.
Well, you act like a pussy.
You're a douchebag.
Your mom.
I was abandoned by my mother. That's why I was raised by an elder human that I don't.
Your elder human who's probably dead.
She is, because I killed her by accident.
It's false that.
I just wanted to play, okay? I'm leaving.
Louis' tears make me happy.
I'm leaving and I'm never coming back. Because you suck. You suck as a leader, Kiba. I don't like you anymore.
In 5 minutes later, you're gonna come back.
No, I will not.
Yeah, you will. Alright,
I got lost.
you ready to go?
Yes.
Okay,
Are you gonna stop being mean?
I'll try. Hey, looky! Yeah, I was wrong in 6 minutes. Okay.
No regret 'cause I have nothing to lose. Ever stray. So I'm gonna live my life as I choose. 'Cause all things fall straight. Straight. Straight.
Are you recording?
Yes. Can't eat the lunar flowers.
What are you supposed to do with them?
Cherish them and praise them because they bring goodness.
Been a long road to follow, but there